What's up guys, Cars Across Texas here today, and you joined me here today on my off day. I got a text from Ellie at HPC saying, hey man, come by the shop on your off day. We got some stuff to do to the Camaro. So, I don't know what's going on. We're going over there to hopefully do the first mods in the car. At least throw it on the dyno, see what like a baseline horsepower number is. I don't really know what to expect. But it's looking so good, even though it is absolutely filthy. I don't really have a whole lot of time to go get it washed, but we'll figure something out and get it cleaned up. The color is still popping, bright as ever, but we're probably like 40 minutes away from HPC, so we got no time to waste. Let's get on the road. I'll probably have to get some gas too, but let's get rolling. Who knows, maybe this will be the last time it sounds like this when it starts up. This car does sound really good for being bone stock though, listen. Not bad. It's bone stock, that's crazy to me. On the road again. Let's get on up to HPC, boys. Get a couple more pulls in. I don't really know what he's planning on doing to the car. I don't think it's gonna be like a full-on build just yet, but we're getting the first mods in. Someone put it, the car kind of sounds like you're shaking a spray paint can when it pops and crackles. Maybe we'll be fixing that, but I like the pops and I like the crackles, so I don't know if I want it to be gone. Bronco versus Wrangler. Which are you taking, boys? Look at that color. Got a little, oh man, I'm blanking on the name, but it was this limited edition Tuscadero Pearl Coat. When my mom ordered her Wrangler, that's the color she wanted, the hot pink, but she got blue. But anyways, we're following the big boy Bronco of all cars here on 99, boys. What do we think we're gonna be doing today? I don't know. If you're gonna do the big boy Bronco, you need the Sasquatch package, or you need to hurry up and get some bigger tires on them things. It's 11:47 on a Wednesday midday in basically the middle of nowhere. We're almost to Tomball, but there's traffic. People cannot drive in this city. I guess this is a good time as ever. Boys, if you want this this build to get along quick or get more content for y'all, I gotta run these views up on these videos, or come buy cars from me. I work at a Chrysler, Dodge, Jeep, and Ram dealership, so if you want any of those brands brand new, I can sell them. But if you're looking for anything pre-owned at all, I can probably find it for you. Anything from Priuses to Lambos. If you want a Camaro, oh my God, tow truck man, going crazy. But hit me up. Let's see what we can do. This dude in front of me has let 17 cars get in front of him, and I missed my chance. Should have passed him up. It would have been 20 miles up the road now. Another cop's coming in hot in the Expedition. What the hell? What the hell? Oh, what's going on here? Oh God. Just so good to be able to downshift a few times and send it in the old good American muscle car. Yes, sir. We'd love to see it. These old spring Texians up here drive so slow. We gotta always be sending it, brother. Full send all the time for the boys. You hear that, Toyota Sienna? I'm talking to you too, boy. Talking to you too. Alrighty, boys. We are almost here. Let's get to it. Wonder what we're gonna do. I hear the pops. Oh, like right around 3K RPM. Just pops and crackles so much. And then like wide open throttle. it pops even crazier, and like they're longer and louder. It's nuts. I don't know why this car pops and crackles so much. I love it, but I guess that's just my inner racer speaking, because not really a benefit there aside from making me tingle a little bit inside. Alrighty boys, we are here at HPC. We're dropping off the Camaro. We're gonna leave it here for I think a day or two, get what we're doing done, do it real quick, and then I'm gonna surprise you. I can't show you what we're doing just yet, but it's gonna be good. It's gonna change up this car quite a bit. It's just one mod, and I can't wait for y'all to see it and hear it. Remember boys, the more you want me to do this car, the more y'all gotta run these videos up. I try not to make them too long, and I try to make them entertaining, so let's run them up. We do have a super clean SN95 drop top 5.0 here next to the Camaro, and also Ellie's 911 Turbo S that he actually just did a Cobb tune on. And these little German cars with a tune, like the turbo German cars, pick up so much power. Totally changes the car. We got a couple other things over here in front of the shop. We got the 5.0 Charger in Ellie's daily shop car, the FJ Cruiser, next to a C6Z on welds. Looking good. Oh man, I miss my C6. Some pretty cool stuff back here. We got the super clean looking F-Body SS here that they just installed a cam on. And man, I just love F-Bodies. I don't know what it is, but I think we got to get one at some point. And then we got the old Trans Am here. I like the wheels a whole lot. Looks like this is a restoration in progress. Over there we got the big block ProCharge C10. And probably another one of Steve's Beetles. Mr. Baboon Garage out here. Always has something different working over here. Now this thing is a beast right here. This is Ellie's ProCharged C6 Corvette here. Looking good on the silver like machined face Raystar Recluses. And the carbon fiber hood also looking extra crazy with all these vents and everything. But this car is a whole lot more than just looks. I mean, as you can see through the grill up here, it's got some work done to it. Of course, it is a built motor. It's got a big old ProCharger on it as well. This thing is nuts. Hey, that's me. Alrighty, we're actually doing two things, boys. I'll go ahead and tell you, why not? We're doing the E85 Flex Fuel Kit, and we're doing headers for now. I think this will be a good gateway into the car. Pick up some power. First, before anything, they're going to get a baseline pull on the dyno. We're going to see how much power it makes. And then they'll put the headers on, tune it for that and everything, see where we end up at. So, should be exciting. This thing sounds so good. Man, that thing does sound pretty incredible. Let's see what this little 35th anniversary SS does on the old dyno here. Cam setup. This thing is in incredible shape. I'll probably make quite a few pulls on this. I'm just gonna get the first one, see what it lays down as a baseline. Line on a cam only LS1, not too shabby. 381 horsepower at peak and 375 pound-feet of torque. That's just baseline too. This thing is gonna be a fun little car. Get it dialed in here real quick. Like I said, only gonna record the baseline, but I'll come back and ask what this car made on the final revision. Got the DSX flex fuel system in place already. Running some E85. Pick up a little power there, pick up a little power from the headers and the tune. Before they do that, they're gonna baseline it on 93 before they actually run any E85 or anything through it. See what it made then, while making after, and go from there. This Camaro's here getting some go fast goodies. This is a shop car. I think they're doing a Holly Terminator on it with the blower, some nitrous. This thing should be rolling. I was told this Plymouth Fury here is also like one of one. I forget what motor setup it has in it, but it's all factory. It came with a 4-speed manual from factory, which I guess was not common for these with the motor setup or something, but rare and cool, old school, something different, something we don't typically see on the channel. And then over here we got Ellie's Gen 5 Viper getting the go fast goodies installed. A lot of nitrous, a lot of meth. Thing's gonna be making some power without a blower or turbos. Be cool to see a non-blower, non-turbo Viper keeping up with turbo or blown Vipers. Alrighty, so this car made 385 to the wheels. They ran out of injector, but all the guy wanted to do was add a mild cam, keeping it drivable. You know, it's a car that he's just looking to cruise around and not looking to set records in or anything like that. But he came in with the exhaust already done. All they did was a mild cam and got it up to 385 horsepower. Should be about a 40 horsepower gain or so from this, which there's still more on tap there with some injectors. But, I mean, for a drivable little fun, good looking F-body, I'm sure 385 to the wheels is plenty fun. This thing sounds so good. Now it's my turn. Alrighty boys, time for that bone stock baseline pull. You can see how dirty this thing is. We got the bathtub muffler back here, of course. The pipe's a little bent, but you know, it's cool. Let's see what we got. Alrighty, let's see what we got. Let's see what we're working with. Does sound so good for a stock car though. What do we make? Bone stock. 423. And damn, okay. Bone stock. Not too shabby. I'll let it cool down a second. We're gonna get another pull in real quick, see what she makes, if she backs up the numbers we just saw there. I mean, to the crank, that's more than what these are advertised for, so let's see. Yep, 429. And 446 on the torque. Man, I am impressed. That is solid. Oh my God, bro. That thing is so crazy. That thing is wild. Alrighty boys, she made a healthy number bone stock, but we got the baseline now. We're gonna throw some headers on. Tune up for E85. The flex fuel system is in place already. So we should be picking up, I don't know, somewhere around like 40, 50, maybe 60 horsepower, depending on how the car reacts to the E85 and everything. But I'm excited. I hope y'all are excited. The build is officially beginning. If y'all want to see more stuff, please let me know what y'all think I should do next. I'm probably going to do this in more stages than I did the Z06 instead of just going in and like 2 trips, spending all my money on all the parts. We're going to separate a little bit out so y'all can see the progress and what does what. But it's going to be exciting. The car sounds so good, even bone stock, but it's going to sound even better with the Texas speed headers we're putting on when we pick it up, and making quite a bit more power. So let's get on the road. Allie's here waiting for me to pick me up. It'll be done in like 2 or 3 days after tuning and everything. And we'll come back up and we'll pick it up in a different video, but hopefully you guys enjoy it. Alrighty guys, we are heading out from HPC. Hopefully you enjoyed today's video. We got a lot of cool builds on video. That F-body was pretty sweet, pretty slick, especially for a super drivable sort of setup on one of those cars. But we also got the Camaro going under the knife, getting some headers, getting some E85 and all that other good stuff. Well, not all that other good stuff just yet, but we're devising some plans. Rest assured this build will be crazy. It'll be a pretty max effort NA build for the time being. I'm pretty sure that's what I'm gonna do. But Allie's here waiting for me, so we're gonna get on the road. Remember, shopcardsacrosstexas.com, ends with the puppets, 20% off on your purchase. And I'll catch you in the next one, guys. Peace. Alrighty, boys, we have been picked up in the Grand Cherokee L, thanks to Allie and the baby back here. They've come to my rescue. And the Grand Cherokee L is so nice. Got the AC seats, got the massaging seats. I'm loving it. If you want one, hit me up. Shameless plug. But we are going to head out. Hopefully you enjoyed today's video. Remember, shopcardsacrosstexas.com, ends of the puppet checkout gets you a shirt, jacket, hat, whatever, 20% off that. Support the channel, support the build, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. And I hope you're as excited as me as the Camaro build. Let's get home. See you guys later.